Hi, everyone. Welcome to Marketing Tools for Starting and Growing Your Business. So let's just get started with step number one is knowing your audience. So knowing your audience, the tool will be Google Forms and SurveyMonkey. Both of them are free, easy to use. So a question I would ask myself would be, what problems do I need to solve? And these are going to be questions I'll be asking in my survey that helps me to actually know what problems I will be solving. Step number two is build a brand. It's the thing that makes people recognize you. So obviously that's the logo, but that's not the only thing. It's the social media content that you post, materials or marketing that you use. So like color schemes and all of the colors that you use in your post. So that represents your business. So the best tool is Canva, which I'll be using to build the brand. Step number three, with talking about social media posts, is the marketing channel, choosing your marketing channel. If you're starting or have started, but more automating them. So I would personally use Zapier or make.com to actually schedule and post and manage my content and my social media posts over many platforms. Step number four is creating and sharing content. So, as I said with step number three, is posting in multiple platforms. So, with the content, with the creation and sharing, I would personally just use Canva, but you're welcome to also add Notion or Trello for the planning part and like making the eye catching stuff with Canva and just getting to organize your ideas with Trello or Notion. And step number five is really be engaged on social media. It doesn't mean you just post and create and become this system that just works over and over. You got to actually build trust and relationship with your audience and customers. So not just branding and scheduling, you got to also engage with your followers, maybe on Instagram or any other kind of platforms and applying to comments and seeing your like posts and all of these kind of things. So it doesn't need much hours, the minimum to be a 30-minute or 15-minute, just an overview. And the last part, which is track your results by using Google Analytics, which just tracks behavior of the users. And if you have a website or if you're wanting to create a website, knowing which post made the user or the audience come and buy a specific product from you or a service, which is going to be really helpful knowing if one of the creative posts and social media posts helps you make leads or generate leads. So that is a really quick overview, a 4-minute walkthrough of everything from start to end of just starting your business or growing your business. So thank you for listening. For the next couple episodes until the end of the year, I'll be making a business. It will be on Twitter, so you can follow as I am building. But if you're listening to this episode as I am finished, there will be episodes coming up in the following of this episode where I'll be actually talking over the process and perhaps maybe even sharing some screenshot. So thank you for listening. I will see you in the next episode.